Hey guys, do you ever feel like your home is bursting at the seams with stuff? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I unveiled 25 must-have home organization gadgets to help you declutter, maximize your space, and bring harmony back into your home. Let's get started with the first home organizer, the Dahlia Acrylic Hair Tool Storage, an essential gadget for anyone who loves hairstyling tools. It features separate compartments for your hairdryer, flat iron, curling wand, and additional sections for brushes or combs. The design keeps cords tangle-free and tools easily accessible, saving you time during your morning routine. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or just want to streamline your counter space, this is a must-have. Next, we have the King Rack Bathroom Counter Organizer. It is your go-to solution for organizing a cluttered bathroom. This 3-tier organizer is perfect for storing everything from skincare products to toothbrushes and perfumes. Its rust-resistant metal frame and elegant shelves make it both sturdy and stylish. The compact design ensures it won't take up too much counter space, and the raised edges on the shelves keep your items secure. This is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their bathroom neat and functional. Next, we have Poikshark 3-pack Bedsheet Organizer. Each organizer is thoughtfully designed with dual handles, clear viewing windows, and removable labels, making it easier than ever to keep your sheets and linens in order. The rounded rectangular design allows you to quickly identify the color or pattern of your sheets through the clear windows, saving time during your busy mornings. The removable label cards provide a simple way to categorize and find your items effortlessly. No more rummaging through piles to find the right set. Next, we have the Malpfit Shoe Cabinet. This cabinet features 3 spacious flip drawers with double-layered storage in each drawer, offering ample space for shoes of all sizes, from flats and heels to boots. The adjustable or removable panels and dividers ensure that every pair fits perfectly, no matter the height. On top, a fenced surface provides a safe spot for potted plants, keys, or decorative items, adding charm without the worry of items falling off. Additionally, the open space at the bottom is ideal for storing slippers or even housing a robot vacuum. The 5th organizer on the list is the Zetez Wall-Mounted Drying Rack. Built with durability and functionality in mind, this rack is designed to handle your drying needs while blending seamlessly into any laundry, kitchen, or utility space. Crafted from a carbon steel panel and equipped with sturdy aluminum rods, this drying rack can support up to 60 pounds. The rack includes 10 aluminum hooks and an additional bottom railing, providing multiple hanging options for everything from delicate garments to heavier tools. Next, we have the DWVO Tilt-Out Laundry Hamper. Crafted to save space and enhance your home's organization, this hamper is an ideal addition to any laundry room, bathroom, or utility space. Built with 100% engineered wood and reinforced with a sturdy iron frame, it is designed to withstand everyday use while maintaining its stability. Keep frequently used items within reach with the 3 metal hooks attached to the cabinet, perfect for hanging towels, garments, or accessories. Next, we have the Zebizo Jewelry Organizer Cabinet. Say goodbye to tangled necklaces and misplaced earrings. Your jewelry deserves this organizer. Admire your outfit from head to toe with the full-length glass mirror. The built-in automatic LED lights illuminate the interior every time you open the door, offering a soft, warm glow to help you choose the perfect piece, day or night. Crafted from high-quality MDF wood, this jewelry cabinet is built to last while adding a touch of sophistication to your room. Next, we have the Torx Hat Hangers for Closet. Simply hang your hats on the integrated hooks and place the rack in your closet. No more digging through piles to find the perfect hat. Everything is neatly displayed and ready to grab. With a double-sided hook layout, each rack is equipped with 20 stainless steel hooks, allowing you to hang up to 40 hats in total. The 360-degree rotating top hook lets you easily view and access all your items while optimizing space in your closet. Next, we have the Yida Home Fabric Dresser Organizer. This dresser is built to last with a sturdy metal frame and a durable MDF wooden top. The 5 removable and foldable drawers are easy to use, featuring smooth plastic handles for effortless opening and closing. The adjustable plastic legs protect your floors from scratches, ensuring stability on uneven surfaces. The 5 spacious drawers come in different sizes to accommodate a variety of items, from clothing and accessories to household essentials. At number 10, we have the Songmike's Folding Storage Ottoman. This multifunctional ottoman is more than just a storage box. Use it as a footstool, seating bench, or coffee table in the living room. Place it at the end of your bed, in the foyer, or under a window to complement any area of your home. The metal corner guards reinforce the lid for added stability, and thick MDF boards provide robust support for the tops and sides. With a static load capacity of 660 pounds, it's built to withstand daily use. Next, we have the Messier's Interlocking Drawer Organizer Bins. The interlocking design allows you to mix and match the bins however you like. Arrange them in any configuration that fits your needs and space, completely customizable to suit your style and organizational preferences. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, these bins are designed to withstand everyday use. With smooth, rounded corners, they are easy to wipe clean, maintaining a fresh and tidy appearance. No matter the size of the items you need to organize, you'll find the perfect bin for the job. Next, we have the Oteri File Organizer Box. It is not just for paperwork. It can also store kids' clothes, books, and toys. Designed for ease of use, each box comes equipped with clear sliding bars that allow for smooth file folder movement without friction. This sturdy construction ensures a better bearing capacity, allowing you to store and organize your documents with ease. The box's reinforced fabric adds an extra layer of strength. Next, we have the S-Bliss XI Bayonet of 2 Kitchen Cabinet Organizer. The shelves offer multiple usage options to fit your organizational needs. The surface is treated with a rust-resistant protective coating, ensuring the organizer stays in excellent condition, even in humid environments like kitchens or bathrooms. You can use them as individual cabinet shelves, align them to create a long joint storage rack, stack them up for a space-saving organizer, or even connect them at right angles to fit around corners, providing flexibility for any space. Next, we have the Kalimdor Pants Hanger Metal Closet Organizer. Each hanger can hold up to 5 pairs of jeans, trousers, or scarves, saving you up to 80% of space and keeping your wardrobe neat and organized. Designed for convenience, these closet organizers require no installation, simply hang and go. Made from durable stainless steel and lightweight ABS plastic, they're strong enough to hold even oversized or heavy-duty pants without losing their shape. They feature a non-slip coating on the bars and a stopper at the end, preventing your clothes from slipping off. At number 15, we have Meeden Craft Organizer Storage Cart. With 2 tiers of wood shelves and 3 layers of drawers, this cart provides ample space to store your art supplies, keeping everything organized and neatly arranged while saving valuable floor space. Plus, it comes with an additional detachable acrylic tray, offering convenient access to your items when needed. The cart also includes a brush holder for keeping your brushes organized and a unique round groove for inlaying your brush washer, optimizing your creative workspace. Next, we have VTopMart 3-tier Clear Makeup Organizer. It features 2 large drawers and 1 bin with multiple compartments of various sizes, providing ample space to organize a wide range of beauty products. The slide rails and stoppers in the drawers ensure they won't pull out completely, keeping your items securely in place and preventing any spills. Additionally, the anti-slip silicone pads at the bottom provide a smooth and stable operation. Next, we have Bototech Charger Station Organizer. With its 6-port USB design, you can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously, eliminating the clutter of tangled cables and freeing up USB wall outlets. The station is equipped with a safety switch, offering a quick visual indication when powered on. Designed for speed and efficiency, the Bototech 60-watt charging station can charge smartphones and tablets up to 80% faster than other standard USB chargers. It intelligently detects each device and adjusts the voltage to minimize charging time, providing the most efficient power delivery. Next, we have the Uposoja Baker's Rack and Organizer. Featuring 4 AC outlets and 2 USB sockets, it provides ample power for multiple appliances like microwave ovens, bread machines, coffee makers, and even your mobile devices, ensuring everything stays charged and ready to use. It includes 8 S-hooks for hanging utensils, 9 open shelves for easy access to your kitchen essentials, a metal grid, a cabinet, a wine rack, a goblet holder, and a pull-out wire basket. It's perfect for kitchens, coffee bars, or living rooms, keeping everything organized and within reach. Next, we have the Songmike Spice Organizer Rack. These racks offer a flexible design with 2 smaller racks and 1 larger rack, allowing you to stack, nest, use separately, or even arrange them in an L shape to perfectly fit your available cabinet or counter space. Made from premium bamboo and metal, these shelf organizers are both sturdy and durable, providing a solid construction that can support up to 16.5 pounds per spice rack, ensuring your kitchen essentials stay securely stored. The 20th organizer we have is Eco Pergio Over-the-Toilet Bathroom Organizer. The 3-tier open shelf and 4 hooks provide ample storage space to neatly organize your bathroom essentials, such as towels, toilet paper, shaving foam, shampoo, and soaps. Built for stability, this bathroom space saver features high-quality wood materials and a sturdy metal frame with X-frame crossbars for added support. The anti-falling design ensures secure use, while the adjustable foot pads keep it level and protect your floor from scratches. Next, we have the Smurley 6-Shelf Hanging Closet Organizer. This dual-component hanging storage system can function independently or be zipped together, allowing for customization to suit your specific organization needs. Crafted with attention to detail, the organizer includes 4 drawers and 3 open compartments made from durable 120 GSM fabric. Capable of supporting up to 35 pounds, it's perfect for storing sweaters, accessories, and more. Next, we have the UU Major Power Tool Organizer. Keep your power tools and drill accessories organized and easily accessible with this wall-mounted tool organizer. It is constructed from heavy-duty metal and finished with a sleek black coating. With a weight capacity of up to 50 pounds, it features multi-tier storage, including 2 shelves and 2 tool racks, providing flexible options to store your tools and accessories. Next, we have Hoshanho Magnetic Knife Organizer. It offers a double-sided strong magnetic design, built with high-strength hidden magnets that provide wide coverage and powerful absorption to securely hold your knife blades. Made from natural acacia wood, known for its hardness, elasticity, and resistance to cracking, this knife block features a glossy brown finish that enhances its durability while keeping your knives sharp. Next, we have the Lazola Bamboo Counter Tea Bag Organizer. With 6 adjustable acrylic dividers, you can easily customize the compartments to fit tea bags, coffee pods, or other items of various sizes, tailoring the storage space to suit your needs. The space-saving design maximizes storage while minimizing the footprint, making it ideal for compact spaces. Its layered compartments with clear categorization allow you to systematically organize and access your tea bags and coffee pods, keeping everything in its place. The last 25th organizer on the list is UU Major Garden Tool Organizer. With its big capacity, it features 40 holes designed to hold a variety of handle garden tools such as scissors, shears, shovels, rakes, mops, brooms, and cleaning supplies, ensuring a tidy and organized garage. Its waterproof and scratch-resistant surface ensures long-term durability and reliability. The removable hooks add a customizable touch to the storage system, with 8 movable S-hooks, perfect for hanging smaller lawn tools and yard essentials. And there you have it, 25 life-changing gadgets to help you declutter and organize like a pro. Whether it's a chic shoe cabinet, a clever spice rack, or a high-tech charging station, these tools are more than just practical. They're transformative.